Hi friends! Today we're going to draw Frieza from Dragon Ball step by step. This drawing is easy and perfect for beginners. Just follow my lines and draw with me. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two sharp angled shapes. Now add the inner lines of the eyes. Next, draw the pupils inside each eye. Now draw the small lines above the eyes. These will help show the frown. Let's move down and draw the nose. Just a few small curved lines are enough. Now draw the mouth. Start with a small smile and then add the lower line. Add a few short lines around the mouth. This gives the face more character. Now we draw the top of the head. Make a big, smooth, curved line. Continue the head shape on the other side. Try to keep both sides even. Now draw the sides of the face. Slowly connect them down toward the chin. And the face shape is done. Now draw the ear on one side of the head. Do the same on the other side. Try to make both ears the same size. Next, add the long face lines going down from the eyes. Now let's draw the top detail on the head. Start with a smooth curved line. Add the inner shape on the head. Draw it slowly and follow the curve. Now finish the head pattern with a few sharp curves. This is an important detail, so take your time. Great! Now draw the neck with two straight lines going down. Add the shoulders with simple lines. Keep them wide and clean. Next, draw the collar shape. Make a wide line going from one side to the other. Now add a few short lines on the neck. These lines show the muscles. Connect the collar smoothly under the neck. And that's it. The drawing is finished. Great job! You can leave it like this or start coloring with markers. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next video. Bye!